Create a stunning portfolio, blog, or a product page in Craft, and use custom domains to make it an integral part of your online presence. With custom domains in Craft, you can add any domain that you already own to your shared pages, so your brand and identity is front and center when you share your work. Custom domains are available to anyone on a business plan, and you'll need to be an admin to set one up. To add a custom domain, go to your team's settings and click Set up Domain. If you're not already using Craft in your browser, you'll be redirected to your team settings on the web. You'll also need to create a subdomain. The subdomain will become the prefix in your Craft custom domain. For example, news.company.do. Next, you'll need to navigate to the DNS records for your domain. You need to add a CNAME record, assign the name of the record as your subdomain name, and the content as craft-hosting.do. Go back to your Craft team settings and click I've added the DNS record. Within 24 hours, you'll be able to use your custom domain as a shared page link. If you want the Craft docs you share to look even more bespoke, you can set up custom branding on shared pages too. If you turn on Share Page Branding in Team Settings, the team logo you uploaded will appear on all your shared pages. When a visitor clicks the image, it will link to your website domain. For more tips and tricks on how to make the most of Craft, check out the rest of our YouTube channel.